Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit is a quick reminder that it's about the process, not the destination. One of the coolest things about being a realtor is we always have something to look forward to. We have our closing next month. We have people coming to town next week. We have an inspection. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff next week, this weekend, whatever it might be, right? And as neat as that might be, and when we have closings, I mean, they're huge, right? It's awesome. But in all of that going towards this goal over here, we forget that we are helping people daily. We're going to look at beautiful homes. We're building new relationships. We have all kinds of wonderful things right in front of us. We have the luxurious position of not having to go to the same office day in and day out all the time, right? We get to make phone calls and talk to people around the world. We get to help people with something that they're probably only going to do a couple times in their lifetime, and it happens to be one of the biggest things they're going to be doing. Life is about the process, not the destination. The destination's amazing. We have to go after our goals, right? But don't forget to take advantage and enjoy the process. So today's challenge is enjoy whatever it is you're going to be doing. If you're going to be doing an open house, enjoy the open house. Truly get to know and meet whoever's coming through your door. If you're making phone calls, enjoy that. Okay, if you're going to be meeting people or looking at beautiful homes, whatever it might be, enjoy the day. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Talk to you in a bit.